Hi friends, this is Varsha. How are you? I hope you are doing good. In our homes, there will be a lot of coconut shells and plastic bottles. Instead of throwing away, let's make a secret mushroom kiddy bank. Without wasting much time, let's get started. To start with, take a coconut shell. To smoothen the outer layer of the coconut shell, grate it or peel it. After we grate or peel the coconut shell, we can rub the coconut shell with a sandpaper to make it even smoother. I have smoothened the other coconut shell, so I am showing it on this coconut shell. The coconut shell we are going to use should have one hole at the top. Let's paint white acrylic colors as the base. If the coconut shell is not perfect in shape, don't worry, even mushrooms are not perfect in shape. We are going to use the coconut shell as a mushroom head of our secret mushroom kiddy bank. If we paint the coconut shell in white color first, then paint the red color will be brighter. Otherwise, the red color will look dull. Let the coconut shell dry after painting it with white. There is no rule to paint it with red only. You can paint it with any color you like. If you want this secret mushroom kiddy bank to be even more secretive, you don't need to put this hole on the coconut shell. After you paint the coconut shell with red acrylic color, let it dry for at least half an hour. While the coconut shell is drying up, let's take a plastic bottle. This is a boost bottle. Let's make a hole at the bottom of the bottle, which is neither too big nor too small. Coins and currency notes should be able to fit in it. Let's paint this bottle with white acrylic paint first, as we did it for the coconut shell. After painting it with white, let it dry for some time. After the bottle with the white paint is dried, let's paint it with yellow pearl acrylic color. Compared to holding the bottle and painting the bottle, placing the bottle upside down and painting the bottle is the easiest for me. Here, I wanted the mushroom to be in yellow and red color combination. Instead, you can use your own color combination. Now, let's paint some white dots on the mushroom head with pearl white acrylic color using an earbud. Let's glue the mushroom head to the mushroom stalk. Let's paint a door and a window for the secret mushroom kiddy bank. Let's paint some grass at the bottom of the bottle as if the mushroom has come out from the grass. Our secret mushroom kiddy bank is ready. Let me insert some coins and currency notes. You can roll the currency note and insert it at the top. Do you like mushrooms? I like mushrooms very much. I like this mushroom also, but this is not for eating. This is to save our earnings. This is our secret mushroom kiddy bank. Whenever the kiddy bank is full, just pull the cap off. You can reuse this kiddy bank by sticking the cap once again. I hope you enjoyed this video.